You can look, I've got this tall St. Augustine grass, and I like to mow it really high in the summer. Keeps it healthy, and it keeps it from succumbing to this brutal Texas heat. So what I've done on this mower is I've just put a ghetto lift kit on it. You can see I've got the axle where it's splitting this thing, so that's how I'm determining the height, because the bottom of the deck will be level all the way around. And what I did is I just scooted it down and put a rivet in. I was gonna try to put a rivet in from the back side and come in this way, so you would have basically something like this sticking out. But the issue is I can't get there's too many baffles and stuff, and I can't get this big rivet gun back there. And so I don't really care, because these are easy to drill out if I ever want to change it. I mean, you just drill it out and it pops out. But I had been just trying to tighten this down and put it here, but no matter what, especially the front one, not so much the back one, but the front one, these things would just sit there and move up and down, and so this is aggravating. And these mowers are so cheap. I've got I can have one that's just for mowing high, and I can have another one that's adjustable. It really doesn't matter, but just in case you want to go way higher than the mower will let you, this is a way to do it. And it costs you 4 rivets and a drill.